Good morning, myself Mini KV, working as a DNS in Max Super Specialty Hospital, Saket. In healthcare nowadays, we are facing lot of challenges in ground level. So, as a leader, how we can implement the process? Before implementing the process, we have to think about the critical thinkings. First one is normal thinking. So, before starting something, we have to before treating abnormality, we think about the normal things. What is normal? Some example I will say means, before giving the insulin to the patient, we have to think about that why I am giving, how it will affect to my body, my patient's body, and everything we have to know. That's vital signs, example for vital signs also. Before going to check the vital signs, the ground level nurses should know about what is the normal vital signs. Then if they know the normal things, they will enjoy their work and they can treat what is going to happen in patient side. If suppose I will do like this. Then self-awareness. So as a leader, we have to teach our people about awareness. If they are not aware about what they are going to do, then they will be failure and the feedback will be very bad. Patient will suffer according to that. Or then, know what? Know what means we will think, know what? Yes, know what means the history of the patient we supposed to know. Before going something, we have to take the past history of the patient. Suppose one example I will say means I am going to introduce one injection. That injection, maybe patient is having some allergy for that. So if I know the history, I can stop then and there. I can tell my doctor also, yes, this medicine is having allergy to my patient, so I can't give it that one. Then why I am giving? So before giving something, I have to know about all the advantage, disadvantage of everything. So as a leader, we have to implement all this process and we teach our people about the advantage and disadvantage of these things. And next point is coming on why not. Why not means, if for that I will say some example means my patient is having nail by mouth. So I know why my patient is having nail by mouth. By doctor is advised, don't give anything to my patients. Okay, maybe for some procedure they kept it. After finishing this procedure, patients came, patient is normal on stage. I am not waiting to get again advice from the doctor side. If my staff is confident, yes, I can feed my patient. So they are not going to wait, they will start the feeding and everything. That is these things, that is the confident level and the educative level. We have to teach our nurses up to that level. Now the end we are coming to the auditing level. So after teaching everything to my junior level people, and before I am sending them, or after I send the people, I have to do auditing for them. So why we are doing all these things means my patients should be confident and they will be free from our hospital without any issues, and they are happy about my nursing process.